your joining. We have been covering the Patanjali Yoga Sutra. 195 sutras are divided into 4 sections: Samadhi Pada, Sadhana Pada, Vibhuti Pada, and Kaivalya Pada. Samadhi, you have to, Samadhi means Adi. Adi means original. Sama, you have to come back to your original state before you can launch onto the higher plane. You need to find your own platform in your life. You have to come to your own platform to launch to the higher, greater heights in your life. To finding your own platform in your life is called a samadhi. You have to come back to your own, discover your platform in your life. Come back to your original status is samadhi. Samadhi, when you are on your own platform, then you can do the sadhana. You can do the sadhana when you are on your platform. You have to do the sadhana. In the second chapter, it is talking about how to do the sadhana. As I am doing the sadhana, as I am going, traveling in my sadhana, I go through various inner experiences, otherwise which I would have missed in my life. The many things, other things, so many things, beautiful things, in my so busy life, I miss out on so many things. When I start doing sadhana, when I am starting going in, I start so many things start coming to my revelation. And many things, beautiful things in my life starts opening up. Vibhuti Pada. And the fourth one is Kaivalya Pada. As I am traveling, doing the sadhana, I don't need so many baggages in my life. Like when we are traveling, we carry so many bags. Back is hurting, hands are hurting, so much of baggage. And as I start practicing, I thought these are the must for me to exist. And now I realize I don't need that much of baggage. Why we advise people to go on a retreat and go on pilgrimage? When you go to a pilgrimage, you see many people up in the Himalayas also so happy in their life. Hardly they have anything in there. It's a small bag. They are so happy in their life. When we go, we carry so much thinking that they are the must. Without baggage, in the Kaivalya Pada, without that one, how can you be happy? Happy that for Gandhiji, they were talking about greatness of this person is because of simplicity. Simplicity. Not having so much. Simple, simplicity is the greatness of that person. In the Samadhi Pada, Patanjali talks about how to come back to your own Atha Yoga Anushasanam. Be serious about your practice. Be serious about your practice. With the discipline you practice, Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Make sure that when you are practicing, your mind is not distracted by so many things. So many world is giving an option, tempts you with so many things to see whether are you really interested in your sadhana. Or I am sitting for a sadhana, I am waiting for an opportunity to get away. Everyone, most of us, we are waiting for some trigger to get out. And it says, world is that way, it is testing us, how serious you are in your sadhana. Whether the temptations, will you give up your sadhana? That is in Shastras also. Many rishis were doing sadhana. They were tempted. Divine beings, they were testing how serious they were. They got enchanted with so many things. They gave up their sadhana and went away. And Chitta Vritti Nirodha. Tada Drishta Swarupe Avasthanam. When you do that one, you start finding your own platform in your life. Tada Drishta Swarupe Avasthanam. If I do not find my platform, Chitta Sarupya Itaratra, my mind is all over the place. Whatever is the fashion, I go there. whatever is the current trend, I will go there. Vrittaya, Panchataya, Klishta, Aklishta, Pramana, Viparyeya, Vikalpa, Nidra, Smritihi. Pramana, I want to find the truth. I am doing the sadhana, but seeking the right one, but it is overpowered by Viparyeya, wrong information, imagination, my sleep, and the past memories. I dwell on that one, I miss the boat. Viparya Nidra Smritihi. And Patanjali, he talks about the pramana, the truth is found through Pratyaksha, Anumana, Agama, Pramanani. Pratyaksha, you should have a courage when you are practicing also not to blindly believe anyone. Even if the teacher says not to blindly believe, you should have a courage. Whatever teacher said, I must experience. Unless it comes to my experience, it is of no use. It is like many religious function, you do that one, you will get that one. Some imaginary sadhana, I should experience. I should do the sadhana. Pratyaksha and Pratyaksha, Anumana. Until I get that one, when you find the right teacher, follow the message. Until I want experience, follow whatever the instructions are given, whatever the texts are talking about. And Agamani, Pramanani. The scriptures, use that one as an authority and follow the guidelines and have a desire to experience yourself. Abhyasa vairagyam tan nirodha. Abhyasa, practice. The vairagya, when you are practicing, not so concerned about your comforts. Comforts are secondary. Many scientists also, when they are discovering, they have foregone so much of personal comforts. Our Laurent also is chocolate, many discoveries when he is doing, he is foregoing his own personal comfort. He is so passionate about developing. When I am developing that one, I am not worried whether I miss the lunch or that party I missed. I don't care. I am so concerned. Abhyasa, without attaching yourself to the trivial things. Tan nirodha. How long I had to do? Satu dirghakala nairantarya satkara sevito drida bhumihi. You have to practice. The practice, it is not a time-bound practice. Time-bound practice. For example, if I am competing for Olympic, my goal is to compete up to the Olympics and give up. This sadhana, it is not a time-bound. Your life's long. Satu dirghakala nairantara, without any interruption, no Christmas break, no long weekend break, no break. Nairantarya satkara asevito. I want to do great things in my life. My life is precious. I want to accomplish great things in my life. To accomplish great things, it is through time-bound practice you can't accomplish. I have to do my ambition in my life. I must accomplish great things in my life so that generations to come must get inspired. To do that one, I have to dirghakala nairantarya satkara asevito, as a service, surrender to the Lord. It's a service to the Lord. Drida bhumihi, on a firm footing of my knowledge, on a good knowledge, firm knowledge, and the right footing, I should do the sadhana. Sadhana, when I am doing that sadhana that way, and Patanjali introduces, the first chapter is called as Samadhi Pada, the type of Samadhi, Samprajnata Samadhi. He is talking about 4 types of Samprajnata Samadhi: Vitarka, Vichara, Ananda, Asmita, Anughamat Samprajnata. Samprajnata Samadhi, 4 Samadhis he is talking about. To the effort, when Samprajnata, you are aware of yourself. And it is a type of samadhi. One is vitarka, savitarka. Vitarka, you add sa in between. Savitarka, you are discussing with on a right knowledge, with a knowing to wanting to know higher. Savitarka samadhi, then savichara samadhi, savichara. Vichara, you retreat yourself, contemplate on that one. Savichara samadhi, sa ananda samadhi, you experience the bliss. When you are doing that one, you are happy for no reason. You start experiencing that one. And asmita, the fourth one. The fourth asmita, you are the ananda, you are experiencing maybe a small, short duration. Asmita, it lasts with you. That asmita, you are personalizing, it lasts with you. That it is called as samprajnata samadhi. Patanjali talks about asamprajnata samadhi. Another one called as asamprajnata. Asamprajnata, it is higher than the samprajnata samadhi. He talks about Shraddha, Virya, Smriti, Samadhi, Prajna Purvaka, Itaresham. He is talking about another type through intense Shraddha, faith. For example, you connected with a teacher, you have so much of faith in the teacher. Teacher said, you will get that one, I will do the sadhana. So much of faith, Shraddha and Virya, so much of energy. Not a dull person, not a dull person, self-motivated person. Self-motivated. Shraddha, Virya and Smriti, the memory. I am retaining all the good qualities. Like our teachers, they are writing down. If I miss that one good point, I want to write down. I want to go home and recap on that one. Recap. Otherwise, my memory will miss out. What I am doing, I write down so that I am strengthening my memory. Good things I had to be retained in me, Smriti and Samadhi. Smriti and Samadhi. I am diving, contemplating deep on that one. That is leading to Asamprajnata Samadhi. It's a higher than that one. Samprajnata Samadhi, the Samprajnata Samadhi, when it is continued with further faith, it will lead you to Asamprajnata Samadhi. And Asamprajnata Samadhi, higher than the Asamprajnata, in the Asamprajnata Samadhi, these are the four Samprajnata, and Asamprajnata, another four, and another one, ninth one, he talks about Asamprajnata Samadhi. The ninth one, Ishvara Pranidhanidva. Another type, surrender to the Lord. Surrender to the Lord completely. That when you surrender to the Lord, when you whatever samadhi is there, it will establish in you. It will be ingrained with you. And what is the definition of Ishvara? Ishvara, what is the definition of God? Patanjali talks about klesha, karma, vipaka, ashaya, aparamrishta, purusha vishesha ishvaraha. In the God, definition of God, Patanjali is talking about there is no everything at ease. Whatever he wishes, he gets. For us, we had to work, toil, work hard. We plan so many things. Some things can happen. Most doesn't happen. And life is full of problem. And whatever he wants, just what desires, it comes. That message is there in all religion also. Thy wishes, it appears. It happens. Klesha, karma. Karma, action. we are doing a karma. We have to do the karma, and as a parent, we have an obligation. As a yoga community member, we have a obligation. As a citizen of the country, we have to do the karma. It is talking about there is no obligatory duty. You have to do this one. You have to do. There is no obligatory duty. Full freedom. Klesha karma vipaka. When I do the karma, there will be a counter karma. Action, reaction. For him, no reaction. If I eat more, I get indigestion. It's a vipaka, repercussion of that one. There is no repercussion. And ashaya, our life is full of desires. I wish I had booked a ticket to India. I wish I had gone to our London. I wish I had gone to no corona. And so many. There is no desire in that one. Everything is fulfilled. It's the Purusha Vishesha Ishvara. We are all have a trace of these qualities, little bit. But for him, in him, everything incomplete. Purusha Vishesha Ishvaraha. And he talks about sa purvesham api guruhu kalena vachidet. He says kalena anavichedet. Sa purvesham api guru. He, the God, he is the Guru's Guru. He is the most ancient Guru. He illumined the most ancient Guru. He is Guru's Guru. And you can't say that he is most ancient. He is not there now. You can't say that one. Kalena avachidet. Not a time-bound Guru. He is there. He is inspiring all Gurus. He is the most ancient Guru, and he talks about, defines that one. He is beyond the concept of time. He is beyond. We are existing. We have a shelf life, and we depart. For him, there is no time bound. He is beyond the concept of time. And the Purvesham api Guru Kalena avachidet. And what is his name? His name Tadvachaka Pranava. Another name for him is Pranava. Om. Om is another name for him. Tadvachaka, he has been called by the name Om. In our deep meditation, we hear that resonance. Om, Om. That Om is a primordial sound. From that sound, everything has come out. The sound, last time I talked about Om exhaustively. The foundation of everything has come. Everything has come from Om. It is the foundation of everyone. Everything. Tad vachaka pranava. And tad japa, tad artha bhavanam. You have to do a japa on the Lord's name. Lord's name, the Om. And that is why all mantras starts with Om Namah Shivaya, Om Ganganapate Namaha, Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, Om Klim Krishnaya Namaha, Om Vishnave Namaha, Om, whatever name, it's a Om at the beginning. Tad Vachaka Pranava. When you are doing that one, whatever mantra you are doing, you are using that Om as a basis. And Om as a basis, in Bhagavad Gita also it's talking about when you are practicing this way, and in the when you time of the death, you cannot remember the whole long mantra. Then, since you have practiced Om Namo Bhagavate Vasudevaya, at least Om, just Om iti ekaksharam smaran, at least the first letter you will remember. One who departs the body, that person won't come back. In tad japa, tad artha bhavanam. Contemplate on that one, not just like a cassette player. Try to understand the meaning of that one. Do the sadhana. Om is like a seed. Do the sadhana such a way that the seed in you, you are planting the seed deep in you, seed sprouts. And the inner meaning gets revealed. The inner meaning gets revealed. Do the sadhana. Do the japa with faith, utmost faith. It is there, the repetition is ingrained in all religion. Do the japa. Do the japa so that the seed what you have planted, it sprouts and new dimension opens up. When the new dimension opens up, immense joy comes to you. Pratyak, Patanjali further says, when it asamprajnata, the seed sprouts, and antarayaha, all the obstacles in your life melts down. Otherwise, I want to do yoga, but what to do? I want to do what to do? I want to do what to do? So many obstacles. What are the obstacles? I will touch upon for the next term. And here Patanjali, Samadhi Pada, slowly developing interest in us to do sadhana. Patanjali's why he is introducing, why we have to do the sadhana, develop when we understand why we are doing our sadhana, we start enjoying. Otherwise, we will be blaming teacher. He asked us to do, and why I have to do? I should not have joined the yoga class. Otherwise, these instructions I would not have got. I would have happily be enjoying. Now when I start practice, I start enjoying. Otherwise, I will be blaming. And if the teacher is coming, I will go other side. Teacher may ask me whether I am practicing or not. I will avoid. I will avoid. I won't come to face-to-face class. I will log on, turn off the camera. Teacher won't know. And it's so many excuses. And here you start enjoying your sadhana. That's the Patanjali, the Samadhi Pada introduced. Lie down on your back.